Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to keep our all subscription private. So this option used to make a privacy of what the channels that you are subscribed, it will be on private mode, and how we want to turn it on your YouTube. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. To put your subscription hidden, you just want to first you can see here the channel. Here you can see the channels that you subscribe, but it is hidden, it is locked. So if you want to unlock or if you want to lock it, just click on your profile, go to the setting option here. So this is your account and you can see the lot of options here. You just click on the privacy option here. Here you can turn it off your subscription. You can just click here. I just turned on, so unhide it. So you can see who are the channels, what are the channels that I subscribed. The viewers can see this. If you turn it on, it will be hidden from the viewers. You just want to refresh the YouTube page to have the changes. So here you have a two option. You can hide your saved playlist and also subscription hidden or unhide from your viewers by using this particular option. So try this on your YouTube PC. I also made this video for how to hide or unhide from mobile phone. You can also check that video too. Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and if you want more content about YouTube features and updates, just follow this channel and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below, and we will meet on next video with a super valuable YouTube content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.